Hey guys, my name's Andy. I'm the owner of Overkill Customs in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Today we have a 2019 Cadillac Escalade that we've done some upgrades on. Let me show you what we did. This is Bryant's Escalade. This is a 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. He's sitting on a set of 26-inch wheels. He's been a good client with us for a few years now. So we've brought him in a few times, did an audio system. I think this is our third upgrade. We originally just had a pair of 15s, then we went 2 15s, and then now we just upgraded the amplifiers, give him as much power as we can. But he's also come in, we've done some lighting upgrades, the badges, and I'll show you that now. Here's the fun part, what everyone wants to see. We have 4 Kicker Solo X 15-inch subwoofers, and there are 4 Kicker Warhorse amplifiers. Each amplifier is powering a subwoofer wired at 1 ohm. These amplifiers are Orions, and they're powering the door speakers and then the back wall. We built this custom battery rack here with a fuse block. This is magnetic, so it just sticks on. We cut it in our laser, but we have everything organized, fuses in the same direction. These fuses down here are because today we added the dual alternator and we need to have extra power and access points. One of the Orion amplifiers is powering the speakers on all the doors. They are the Kicker KS speakers, but the other one is on a separate switch, and it powers the 4 Kicker ST7s in the back and the 2 1.5-inch tweeters. Up front, we're using the factory radio to control everything. We removed the cubby hole here, and we put a bass knob, a switch to turn on the rear speakers, and now we have a spot for all 4 control panels for those Kicker Warhorse amplifiers. Now they have a little diagnostic thing, so high voltage, low voltage. If you have a thermal overload, it'll let you know right here. Now we're under the hood. He has the factory battery over there, and then the auxiliary battery is excess power over here. But today we came in, we added the dual alternators from Mechman with their bracket. These are dual 400 amps, so we'll have plenty of power to operate the system. Now this is a matter of opinion, but I'm sad because you can't see how cool this alternator looks underneath the factory airbox. But hey, it works, and that's all that matters. On the back was just a blank wall, so we decided to add a little flare. We decided to add black vinyl, tan vinyl match the interior. We also added some black suede because there was a little bit of suede in the truck as well. We used our CNC to cut out the logo. Then we used a laser to cut out the inside of the logo. We etched the Solo X logo inside of it and then painted the backside blue to match the outside of the truck. So give a little more continuity to the whole build. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us, 615-462-6074. We are located in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. You want to try to find us on our socials? It's going to be Overkill Customs TN on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Thanks for watching.